We happen to be a victim of our own success. We market and sell the best dashcam system for driving and park mode available today. And we offer more services than other vendors that sell the same systems, like free hotspot modems and internet service, so our customers, without a monthly fee, can monitor their vehicle from the included mobile app with live videos and notifications if their car or truck is being vandalized. The best thing our customers love us for is in helping them find local installers in the area that they live in who are willing to install their dash cams professionally, and this is where our problem lies. There is nowhere near enough dashcam installers to handle the number of customers we get. We even get requests from other dashcam vendors who are willing to pay us to help them find installers for their customers. Every time a customer purchases a dashcam system from us, our team will spend up to half an hour or more searching Yelp, Google, Facebook, and other sources for dashcam installers. Sometimes to no avail, even in large towns and cities. Our team here at HomeRestore.com this year spend on average 70 hours a week trying to find installers willing to install our customers' vehicle cameras. Recently, we've lost a customer who wanted 8 of their vehicles equipped with our dashcam systems for their delivery trucks in Kansas City. The customer was willing to have all their trucks driven as far as Topeka or 3 hours away in Wichita, Kansas, but we still couldn't find an installer willing to install the dashcams in any of those towns, so we lost the sale. In Europe, where we sell 20% of our inventory, there are several dashcam installers in just about every neighborhood, but in the United States, dashcams are still a new phenomenon. When we can find a dashcam installer, they charge on average $150 per vehicle installation for our dual dashcam systems, which happens to be 98% of our sales. Each vehicle takes about 30 minutes or less to install with our new OBD power connector. Rural areas may only see an average of 2 to 3 installations per month, while towns and cities can have several installations a week per neighborhood. This year, fleet management orders are booming, and they are ordering hundreds of systems at a time. In Florida and Georgia alone, we expect to be behind 450 installs within the next 2 months. 500 installers average out to only 10 installers per state. That's really not enough installers, but we have to start somewhere. If you or you know someone who is confident they can install our vehicle camera systems and are looking to supplement what they do, please list them or yourself onto our local deals section. It's similar to placing an ad on Craigslist, but we do charge a $29 a month fee to make sure that we're only getting serious listings. But there's a guarantee. After 6 months of listing, if you don't receive enough work to cover your cost of listing, we would be more than happy to refund you the whole 6 months of your listing fees. This is a first come, stays on top listing. The first to list in any area will stay on top of other listings for that area. We are selling the systems. Now it's up to you to make a profit from our success.